Understanding Rational Exponents. Simplifying Complex Concepts. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating math concept, rational exponents. This topic might sound complex, but fear not. We're going to break it down into simple, understandable parts. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just curious about English math terminology, this video is for you. Let's get started. First things first, let's define rational exponents. In mathematics, an exponent is a number that tells you how many times to multiply a number by itself. For example, in 232 to the power of 323, 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times, 2 by 2 by 2. Simple enough, right? Now, a rational exponent is an exponent that is a fraction, such as 21/22 caret 1/2, 21 halves or 33/43 caret 3/4, 33/4. The numerator, top number of the fraction, tells you the power to raise the number 2, and the denominator, bottom number, tells you the root to take. In our examples, 21/22 caret 1/2, 21 halves means the square root of 2, and 33/43 caret 3/4, 33/4 means the fourth root of 3, raised to the power of 3. Understanding rational exponents is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, they provide a more compact way to write roots and powers. Instead of writing long root symbols, we can simply use a fraction as an exponent. This makes equations cleaner and easier to handle. Secondly, they are essential for higher-level math such as algebra, calculus, and beyond. Grasping this concept opens the door to more complex mathematical understanding. Let's look at some practical examples to solidify our understanding. Consider 41/24 caret 1/2, 41 halves. This is the same as the square root of 4, which equals 2. Another example is 82/38 caret 2/3, 82/3. This means the cube root of 8, which is 2, raised to the power of 2, giving us 4. By understanding how to work with rational exponents, you can solve these types of problems with ease. Learning rational exponents can be made easier with a few tips. 1. Practice regularly. The more you work with rational exponents, the more familiar they become. 2. Break down the problem. Separate the root and the power in the fraction, and solve each step by step. 3. Use visual aids. Sometimes, drawing out the problem can help in understanding the concept better. I hope this video has demystified rational exponents for you. Remember, like any new topic in language learning, it takes time and practice to master. But with persistence, you'll find that rational exponents are not as intimidating as they might seem. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more interesting topics in English language learning.